way they would get their membership and their model airplanes is they would mail in box tops, bottle caps, coupons and labels, and sometimes some money. And they would get back a tin badge as a member, and they would also get their model airplanes to build. So it was a very fun thing to do back in the day. And the club was called the Junior Birdmen of America. So we're going to sing a song today, and it's called Up in the Air, Junior Birdmen. All right? We're going to sing the first chorus together. I'll sing a chorus in the middle, and then we'll sing the same chorus again to close out the song. Okay? So there's two things we have to know. We have to know the words. All right? So it goes, up in the air, Junior Birdmen. Up in the air, upside down. Up in the air, Junior Birdmen, with your noses to the ground. So let's try that. All right? Let's practice. Ready? Up in the air, Junior Birdmen. Up in the air, upside down. Up in the air, Junior Birdmen, with your noses to the ground. Now, that's one thing you have to know. When you sing the chorus, though, you have to put on your Junior Birdman goggles. Okay? So everybody go like this. All right? Put your hands on your face and put on your goggles. That looks pretty good. All right? So has everybody got it? Yeah. We're going to sing the first chorus with the goggles on. So goggles on. Ready? Up in the air, Junior Birdman. Up in the air, upside down. Up in the air, Junior Birdman, with your noses to the ground. Now when you find Junior Birdman, that your wings are made of tin, you know it's time, Junior Birdman, to send those box tops in. Ready? Up in the air.